Hello friends, my name is Deepak Goyal. Welcome to our channel. Today we will solve the problem 2 sum. Uh, this question is of easy category. So let's read the question statement first. Given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up of target. Okay. So you can see in this example we have given a number vector in which we have given some elements and we have also given the target. And we have to return the indexes of those two elements whose sum is equal to the target. So in this case, the target is 9 and the sum of 2 and 7 is 9. So we have to return the index of 2 and 7, which is 0 and 1. Question says, you may assume that each input would have exactly one solution. It means you will definitely find the solution and you may not use the same element twice. What does it mean? Means let's suppose if target is 4 and the number is 2, 7, 11, and 15, then we cannot use 2s twice. So this is the meaning of this. So let's read the constraint 10 raised to power 4. Okay. So so first approach that comes in my mind that basically I have to find two elements whose sum is equal to target. So basically, I am assuming that this first element is my answer initially. Then I will be looking for the another element so that the sum is equal to the target. If the another element is present, then we will return it. Otherwise, then we will consider the second element as our first number, and then we will be looking for another element in the array. So that's it. So basically, we will run a first for loop. Um, So first, we will assume that our first number is nums of I. So int first number is nums of I. Now, now we are looking for another element so that sum is equal to the target. So we have to find out the rest element. So basically, int rest equal to target minus first number. So now we have to find out the rest element. So for int j equal to I plus 1, j less than nums dot size, j plus plus. If nums of j equal to rest, then now we found two numbers whose sum is equal to target. So we have to return. So basically, we will simply return these two elements. We have to return the index. So we will return these two index, I comma j. Basically, we have to return the vector. So uh, we can declare a vector, then we can store these two index and return it, or otherwise we can just return the index. And so yeah, question says that you may assume that each input would have exactly one solution. It means uh, this is certain that we will definitely find our answer. So now our code is complete here, but we have to return a vector. So we have to return something here also. Otherwise, it will show you compilation error. Now let's run it. Yeah, it is running fine. So let's submit it. Yeah, it is submitted. So basically, the time complexity of this code is n square, and we have given constraints. nums dot length should be less than equal to 10 raised to power 4. So that's why it is not showing you time limit exit. If otherwise constraint is just greater than 10 raised to power 4, then it will definitely show you time limit exit because a normal machine can run a 10 raised to power 8 operation in a second. So the time complexity of this solution is n square. So basically, in first case, the length is 10 raised to power 4 and n square means the complexity is 10 raised to power 8. So yeah, you are in borderline. It may or may not be show you time limit exit. So we have to solve the question less than n square time complexity, that is in n log n or in O of n. So we can definitely say that our solution will not give time limit exit. So basically, we have to find out another solution. So, like you, I also don't know the another solution. So let's first see in this solution where is the problem. So basically, in the solution first, we were assuming that our nums of I is at first element. Then we were looking for the another element, and for rest element, we have to traverse the complete vector. So, is there any way to find the rest element in O of one-time complexity? We don't want to traverse the complete vector in order to find the element. So yeah, there is a way we can use map. So initially, we will store all the element in the map. Then we will run a for loop like this, and like this, we will assume that nums of I is our first element. So we can easily find the rest of the element in the map in O of one time complexity. So yeah, this approach may work. So yeah, let's code it. First, I will delete it. So first, I will declare a map, an ordered map, int comma int. Now I will run a for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than m, I less than nums dot size, I plus plus, and simply we will insert the element in map. Insert element along with its index because we have to return the index at the end. So yeah, that's it. Now I will run a for loop again for int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot size, I plus plus. So like earlier, first we will assume that our first number is nums of I and rest number is target minus first number. So now we can easily find our element in this map. So if mp dot find rest does not equal to mp dot end, what does it mean? Basically, we find the element. So simply we will return the index of I, comma, index of this rest of the elements, so nums of rest. It will return the index. Basically, in map we are insert first element is ele our original element, and second element is the index of that element. So we have to return the index. So I is the index of first element, and nums of rest will return the index of element. So that's why here we take nums of rest. So at the end we can return anything. Now let's run it. It is showing us runtime error. So here we did a mistake. Basically, we have to return the MP of rest. Now let's run it. Yeah, it is showing us wrong answer. Now let's see where is the mistake. So yeah, let's see all cases one by one. So here element is 2, 7, 11, 15 and target is 9. And our output is 0 and 1, which is correct. Okay, now let's see case 2. Our element is 3 to 4, we targeted 6. Our answer should be 2 and 4, basically 1 and 2. But uh, we are returning 0, comma 0, which is obviously wrong. So where is the mistake in our code? Here, first what we did, uh, first fnum is equal to nums of I. So first we define fnum as 3. Then we were looking for the rest of the element, and initially all elements are present in the map. So MP don't find, so 3 is also present in the map. So 3 and 3 is equal to 6. So that's why our code is returning 0, comma 0. So now what we have to do, we don't have to store all element in the map initially. Uh, First, we will see the rest element in the map. If it is present, then we will simply return. Otherwise, we will store. So, uh, so basically, here we have to add one more condition. Else, we will come here when our rest element is not present in the map. So we will so mp dot insert fnum comma its index, that is I. Now let's run it. Yeah, all test cases is accepted. Now let's see. In this case, what happened? First, our fnum is 3. Then we look for another 3. So basically, there is no element in the map. So we come in else condition. Here, first we put the element 3. Then in next iteration, our fnum is 2. Then we look for another element, which will be 4. So also 4 is not present, so we insert 2. So in next iteration, our first element is 4 and our rest element is 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So now in our map, 2 is present. So basically, we simply return the index of these two elements. So this is the code. The time complexity of this code is O of 1 and space complexity is also O of 1. And you can find the solution here. You can simply search my ID, Goyal Deepak 13. Yeah. Here I posted the solution along with intuition, approach, complexity, and code with commented. So you can find my solution from here. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.